Ready for a bathroom upgrade in Richmond City, Virginia? The number you need is 877 693 5731. Our team brings modern design and licensed professional installation to your doorstep. We handle everything from walk-in showers and vanities through to tub-to-shower conversions and toilet installs. Boost your comfort further with heated tile floors, custom lighting, ADA-friendly features, and sleek, slip-resistant surfaces. Permitting, inspections, and project management are handled by local pros with satisfaction guaranteed. Meaning less stress for you. Call 877 693 5731 today for your prompt consultation in Richmond, Chesterfield, Short Pump, and surrounding areas. Call now. 877 693 5731.